The most asked question by far is, how do you make a space so cohesive? I hear it all of the time. It's about knowing the key principles that will help get you there, which is how I turn this into this. Let's talk about it. First is deciding on a concept. It's more than just a bunch of Pinterest images. It's a combination of all your ideas on how you want the space to look and feel, because this is going to set the foundation of the colors that we'll be utilizing. For this project here, my clients wanted a mid-century modern appearance with unique forms and shapes incorporated into it. That is our magic ticket for the cohesion that we want. Second is materials and furniture. This is where we take all the visual interest that we saw in the concept boards and bring it into a tangible product. The concept board called for a mid-century modern with a mixture of forms and shapes. Which brings us to our next category. 3 is scale and size. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how gorgeous of a product it is. If it doesn't fit in the space, then what are we doing? So for this space, I made sure that there was a good amount of clearance for foot traffic. 4 is continuity. This is when we pull colors, shapes, textures from one area of the space and echo it in a completely different part of the room. This helps create balance. This is what it looked like when it was done. Brown and linear, but let's spin around. We were able to apply the same shade of brown throughout the space. I love the impact of these two items, specifically the bench, because it mimics the panels in a very subtle, non-matchy-matchy way. So cohesion isn't about matching. It's about balancing elements consistently throughout the space. Save this for when you need it. You got this, creatives.